I just recall particularly my brother and I just throwing snow at each other. And we would try to make snowmen, snow angels.
Jessica Pessamato was just 12 years old when the President's Day blizzard hit New England back in 2003. And like any 12-year-old would, she made a snowball. But this one was not for throwing at her siblings.
I actually do recall asking my mother to save the snowball. I don't really remember making it, but I do recall saying, look at the snowball I made. Can we keep it?
So I said, okay, we'll save it. I'll go get a bag, put it in there, and I said, well, this will be cool because I love weather. And I'll put it in the freezer and we'll see what it looks like in 5 years.
And the years just snowballed from there.
And we kept it for 10, and then I thought, well, I wonder what it will look like in 15. So we just did it in increments of 5 years, and here we are, 20 years.
Did you think they were really going to save it?
No, not this long.
7,308 days, and one move later.
Survived the move. We moved here in August, and it was 96 degrees, so we had to set up a cooler and put some ice in it with the snowball so it wouldn't melt.
The snowball lives.
Luke, you want to touch Mommy's snowball?
That 12-year-old girl is all grown up now and has a son of her own.
And I just thought, since she's had a baby now, I'm going to will the snowball to him, and she can put it in her freezer, because it's been in my freezer now through 3 refrigerators and for 20 years.
Until that time, the snowball stays cozied up right next to the frozen vegetables.
I guess it just brings back nostalgic feelings and just being a kid and my family. It's just, yeah, good memories.
So I asked them if they'd consider getting rid of this snowball at some point. And they said, basically, there's not a snowball's chance in Danvers when it's 50 degrees in February. Meteorologist A.J. Burnett, WCVB News Center 5.